What is up? We are at a dirty one here today at the port. My boy Frankie, say what's up, Frankie.
Hey, what's up, man?
We are cleaning some portable offices for one of our best clients, which would be Will Scott. You see these guys right here? They put these little portable things all over. They have them at refineries. That's where we got them over at the El Segundo refinery. Ports and schools all over. But today we're doing a really filthy office thing, and we're gonna do a three-step process. We're gonna spray it with a heavy-duty chemical. We're gonna scrub that into the carpet, then we're gonna extract it, and then we're gonna pad cap it where we buff it afterwards. So check it out. Is like totally scrubbing it in and absorbing a lot of the dirt into the pad right now. Alright, so now I'm doing the pad cap because we've got Frankie on this side of the room. I'm over here with the floor machine and a bonnet, and we're going over the already steamed area. It already looks insane, but what we're doing now is we're going over it with a bonnet pad. Don't mind the rest on my machine over by the beach. We're going over it with a pad. We're going to even it out and make it look really nice. It'll also help it dry really fast. Cool. That is a wrap. Look how insane the carpet has come out. Look at that, boom. We're all done. Carpet came out great. Like I said, we did a really high pH, deep commercial grade cleaner on the carpet. Then we scrubbed it in with a floor machine. We steamed it out. And then we went over it with the floor machine and evened it all out. Did a pad cap to help it dry faster and make it look more even. Really happy with the results. I think this is why companies like Will Scott use us weekly. It's because everything comes out great. Thanks again, Will Scott, and we'll see you soon.